In this video, we're going to show you how to back up your notes with Obsidian Git. Backing up your notes is one of the most important parts of maintaining a reliable Obsidian vault. Whether you're storing research, project documentation, study materials, journal entries, or personal knowledge collections, having a backup system helps protect your work from accidental deletion, hardware failures, and other unexpected issues. While manual backups are effective, Obsidian Git offers a more automated approach by integrating Git version control directly into your workflow. This allows you to save changes, maintain version history, and synchronize backups more efficiently. However, many users assume that Git is only for software developers and may feel intimidated by the setup process. The good news is that the Obsidian Git plugin simplifies many of the tasks required to manage backups. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use Obsidian Git to back up your notes and create a more reliable backup workflow. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and access the Settings menu. Next, navigate to the Community Plugins section. If community plugins are disabled, enable them and allow third-party plugins. Now, click Browse and search for Obsidian Git. Select the plugin from the results and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Enable to activate the plugin. After enabling the plugin, open its settings page. Here you'll find various options for configuring backups and synchronization behavior. Next, connect the plugin to a Git repository that will store your Vault backups. Many users choose to use a GitHub repository, although other Git hosting services can be used. Once the repository is configured, perform an initial backup to verify that everything is working correctly. The plugin can then create commits and upload changes as you continue working with your notes. You can also configure automatic backup intervals to reduce the need for manual actions. This allows your vault to remain protected with minimal effort. As changes are saved over time, Git maintains a version history that can help you recover previous versions of notes if necessary. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install and enable the Obsidian Git plugin. Second, connect the plugin to a Git repository for storing backups. And third, configure automatic backups and synchronization to keep your notes protected. Remember that Obsidian Git offers more than simple file backups. It also provides version history, making it easier to track changes and recover earlier versions of your notes when needed. This is especially useful for users who manage large vaults, long-term projects, research databases, documentation, and important personal knowledge collections. Taking a few minutes to configure Obsidian Git today can provide valuable protection and help ensure your notes remain safe in the future. And that's how to back up your notes with Obsidian Git. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.